I've made a full multiplayer game inside a messenger. Let me explain. I always wanted to launch a game right inside the place where I chat with friends, just like Discord games, but inside Telegram. So I decided to make one myself. If you use Snapchat before 2023, you probably remember this game. Unfortunately, it was removed. Fine, I'll just recreate it, but inside Telegram. How the hell can a full 3D multiplayer game run inside a messenger? Well, Telegram has something called mini apps, basically websites that run inside the app. So my plan was simple. I hate single-player games. So I started by setting up multiplayer right away. Thanks to the experience and scripts from my older projects, I have done it quickly. After, I proceeded to make the player model and animations for it. Then I spent a couple of days writing the core logic for the game. Just boring routine. But I ran into a problem. Just look at this comparison, and you will understand everything. The ball syncs terribly on client. The reason for this is that WebGL games can use only WSS network, which is very slow. So I needed to reduce the network usage as much as possible. Currently, the ball is synced using network transform component, but I need to use a different approach. Instead, I sync the velocity and the rotation of the ball in my own script. It may seem to be the same thing as network transform, but I don't do it every frame. I do it only when the values of either are changing, and this happens only when the ball is hit. I wanted the game to use Telegram usernames. How do I send the username in the Unity? It took me a lot of time to find the answer. But on Stack Overflow, I found out about send message function in Unity, which allows to run the functions and pass parameters in them from JavaScript. So, how do I get the username? And at first, I tried integrating Telegram SDK in the index.html file, so it will get the username, and then pass it into Unity using send message function. But to be honest, SDK worked terribly. I didn't manage to set it up. So, instead, I'm getting the username inside my Telegram bot script, and pass it as a URL parameter into my HTML, where it's extracted. That's it. The only thing left is to put it on hosting. This is extremely boring part, so the only thing I will say is that I am using Ubuntu VPS on Time Web Cloud. The game is ready. If you want to support me, please try it. Also try my other games on itch.io. Follow me on my socials to stay in touch. Goodbye.